Welcome back, generals, to another Let's Fix Generals 0 How to make the best game ever. We are still developing unassemblize tool. It's a strange name for a tool, by the way, unassemblize. But I guess the goal was to find a name that is not already taken by some other tool. I guess. Okay, so what did we do last video? Right, so I remember we added this +2 here. So what this did now is added an empty line here, empty row here. Empty row. Imgui check X scroll in table. I don't know how to search for it. Let's ask our friend ChatGPT. I'm pretty confident that our friend has an answer to this. In Imgui, with Imgui tables, is there a way to know if with Imgui tables, is there a way to know if is there a way to check if the scroll, if the actual X scroll bar is enabled, the actual X scroll bar is enabled because the rows are long, and can be scrolled on the X-axis. Oh god, that question. With Imgui tables, is there a way to check if the actual X scroll bar is enabled because the rows are long and can be scrolled? Is there a way to, we need to improve this wording. Is there a way to check if the actual X scroll bar is enabled? The actual X axis scroll bar is visible. Is visible when the table contents allow for it. Yeah, I think that's a prompt. Table get current. Is scroll bar visible? Okay. But the problem is we need to know this ahead of time, don't we? Okay, so that's already good. Can we know this? Well, the answer is probably no, and we probably need to like get it from the last frame. Can we know? Can we get this information before drawing, before beginning to draw the table? Can we get this before beginning to draw the table? Well, the answer is no. Like, strictly speaking, no. We can only get it from the last frame. Let's see if ChatGPT will tell us this. Can we get this information before beginning to draw the table? Let's see. Whoa. Oh, I thought it would just not do anything. What does it say? Okay, calculate the available width. Estimate the table's content width. Yeah. Yeah, that's not a good idea. It's too expensive. Estimates. Yeah. Is scroll bar likely? Yeah, so it does guessing. You must know estimate. Yeah, that's not good. You must evaluate after. Yeah. Okay. I'm not sure if it's worth it. Let me think. Okay, so let's look at this table. Get currents. Is scroll bar visible? Scroll bar visible. Yeah. I think it's not. Yeah, we probably need to. Um, inner window, scroll bar X. It's visible. So it can know this, but it would mean current table. So I think we can implement it, but it's not clean and it's too convoluted. It doesn't give us much. It doesn't give us much. Yeah, so the problem is that this scroll bar is not always there because it depends here on the contents. If it is there, then the +2 is correct. If it's not there, then the +1 is correct. Because the header is the additional row. So +1, +2. That's it. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know. Ah, boy. Yeah. We would be able to solve this if we can change the outer size. Can we change the outer size of the ImGUI table at the end of populating it? Can we change the outer size? The outer size, which typically is passed into ImGUI begin table. Can we change the outer size of the ImGUI table, which typically is passed into ImGUI, which typically is passed as an argument, Can we change the outer size of the ImGUI table, which typically is passed as an argument to begin table at the end of populating it? Let's see. Cannot be directly changed after the table is created. Okay. Workarounds. Update for next frame. Yeah. Child window. Resizing a child. By resizing the child window, you effectively control the area. Begin child. Let's see. Size. ImGUI child flags. Allow resize from the bottom border. Huh. Maybe we should wrap the table into a child. And then we use this option with the auto resize. I mean resize this. What is this? Yeah, because then let's test this. That would remove a lot of pain. Let's go to exes. Let's do it with PDB symbols. Yeah. Okay, so if im scoped child PDB symbols container. Okay, so we put here outer size, we make it this. Border. What is border? Childs. Begin childs. There's no border. Flags. Flags. Child flags. Window flags. Okay, looks like this is a little bit outdated here. Size. Border. So this should be flags. Child flags 0. Window flags. Okay. Child flags. Resize Y. Okay. And then we do if child is content visible, then we do this. Okay, let's see what that does. Okay, PDB symbols. PDB here, this one. Okay, now we have a drag. Oh, well, that doesn't work. How does because we have this here. So what if we? What happens if we remove this? PDB symbols. Okay, that is nice. That is nice. I think that's more intuitive, isn't it? Yeah. I think that makes more sense than the slider here. Because then you can just freely drag it. Yeah, I think this makes sense. It's a bit harder to control though. But it's possible. Ah, with Alt, if you press Alt and then scroll, then you can easily scroll up and down as you drag it. Okay, that's cool. Okay. Yeah, I would say we take this instead of this row count slider because it requires much less. Oh. Okay, I was wrong about the Alt button. You have to hover your mouse over here, then it works. Yeah. Yeah, I think this is better. It's more intuitive, right? This thing, I would say. Well, I mean, this is also not too shabby, but it's more. It's more code complexity. That's what it is. Whereas this, we just use a native functionality that ImGUI provides us. So I do think that this is probably better. The thing is, it's not intuitive that you can drag this. It's not intuitive. Well, I mean, if you know that you can drag those windows. It would be nice if the visualization was better, like the bar was bigger or had some additional symbol where you see, it's draggable. Like the line has like some indication that you can drag it, not just when hovering. Yeah. Okay, actually, if I do Alt click here, then it works. Why does it sometimes not work then? No, it doesn't. Not. I think I know what it is. You have to drag it from the bottom. So you have to drag it from here. Your mouse cursor needs to be outside the table. If your mouse cursor is inside the table, like here, then if you scroll the table itself. I see. So you have to grab it from the bottom and then you can scroll. Okay. I mean, it kind of makes sense, yeah. Yeah, it's a bit finicky, but it works. Yeah, can we also use... Ooh. What is that? What happened? Somehow it selected the whole box. Okay. Yeah, I would say we do this. It's simpler, and that means we can remove a bunch of code. Yeah. So what happens if we scroll down to the very bottom? Okay, here's the bottom. That works. Yeah. Can we reset this again? Don't think so. Would have to scroll up. Oh boy. Scrolling is wild. Yeah. You can push it up like this. What is going on? There you go. Okay, it is possible. I mean, no one does it. Like, typically you just make it a little bit larger, maybe. Like this. Yeah, I think that's fine. Yeah, okay. Then let's do this. By the way, maybe we can also make this guy scoped. Okay, so we have this child. Outer size. Let's see, outer size for table. Show table. Show table then. Well, we still need this thing, outer size for table. So we pass. I think we pass +1 then. +1 like this. Let's see. Oh, it has actually, it saves the setting. Oh, okay. It saves it. Oh, if you double click it, it expands it. Ooh. Okay. Oof. Let's see what other options are there. Window padding. Borders, no. Resize X. Huh. Auto resize X. Enable auto resizing. Frame style. Style the child window like a framed item. Frame style. What does that do? Now flattened. Oh. Okay. That is unexpected. So you can change the background color. Child. Style the child window like a framed item. Use frame BG, frame rounding, frame border size. Let's ask ChatGPT. How can the background color of a... How can we change the background color of a child window? Child BG color. Restore original. I think we already did that, didn't we? Let's see. the styles. Oh boy. Here, this style color. Push style color pop. Let's see. So for example, let's say we wanted to make it so. Zero 0.3 to 55 times 0 0.3, 76. So 0 0.2f 0 1 So saturation 0.7, value 1. Okay, let's see how that looks. Child's PG. Yeah. So we could give the tables different colors to make them maybe a little bit easier to identify. But it's a bit strong, this color. Maybe this transparency stuff doesn't work on it. Oh, it does. So, okay, so let's comment out this stuff here. Outer size for table. Well, let me see if I filter now. Aha. So previously, if we filtered here, oh, it would change. Look at that. Yeah. I think this makes it a little less pleasant to use because look at this jump. Yeah, that's not good. So I would say not having the size changed, I think that is better. Yeah, so I do think I like the child approach better. Yeah, I think it's better. It also saves the setting automatically. Yeah, which is maybe okay. Okay, then let's do the following. Let's also try with full saturation. Outer size. Outer size. If we change to the bright style, then it still looks okay. Yeah. Okay, then I would say we remove all these settings and then we just pass 11. 11. Outer size for table. Let's type 10 plus 1. Okay, let's comment out these guys. This guy. Oof. Oof. Okay. Okay, then put here 11 plus 1. No, 10 plus 1. 10 plus 1. Okay, let's see. Good, then we take this guy. Okay. All right, next. Next. Maybe this should call it PDB compilance. Okay, then here we have 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Good. Let's see. Oof. Oof. Maybe that's a little bit too much color. uh, hmm. Okay, we still need to fix something here. This. I wonder if it's maybe a little bit too much color. It's not too much color here. Here it's perfect. But with the dark, it seems a bit much. This looks pretty good on the light theme. Here the saturation is a bit too much. So what if we change it for, I don't know, decrease the saturation to 0.6. Yeah, that's less aggressive, is it? configuration, style, lights. Just realized we can look through here. Huh. Here, no. Draw through. The faintest. I think it's because this is see-through. Yeah, the window background is see-through, just a tiny bit. It's kind of weird. Huh. Why is this? That's weird. So here I can see through it. I move it. Huh. Weird. Okay, anyway. What's going on here? It's probably me. Huh? Did we move it or not? Huh. Okay. Okay, that's actually interesting. This behaved differently before. If I'm not mistaken. I think it behaves differently because of the clipping. Yeah. Okay, well, it's all right. Yeah, I'm not so sure about those background colors. It gives me a little bit of it triggers me a little bit. The background colors trigger me. Basically, the goal of those backgrounds would be to distinguish the tables by their color. So that if someone like has seen those tables before, they know, aha, I look for the green one. And then he scrolls here, aha, yeah, this is my table. But it's a little bit, it looks a little bit triggering. I do like this color here. I mean, it still helps a bit to just distinguish from the black background. So in that regard, it's good. Maybe we should just make all tables this color. Would that be fair? That's the last table. Last table. This one. Zero dot 5. 5. 5. All right, let's see how that looks. Wait, so we put 0 0.5, which is this. (180). Saturation is 60. Okay, so it's cyan with very little transparency. What about, let's try some, let's try 0.7 and 0.6. This has a nice blue. This is too purple. This is too green. Configuration, style, light. Yeah, dark. (360 divided, no, 360 times 0.6 to 16. Yeah. Okay, let's try them all with 0.6. Okay, let's also remove this guy here, this, and this. Okay. Maybe we should make what is this? Static imk. Let's keep it like this. Okay. Yeah. I think it's not bad. Yeah. Let's go with this for now. I think that's nice. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay, so what are we missing? What are we missing? Yeah, I would like to add an option here in our view to toggle these things on and off. Let's go to ImGUI app here. Auto load, is this actually used? No. It's not used, remove it. Okay, file manager tabs. Show file manager. Let's show file manager with tabs. Okay, show file manager so exe section info true. Oops. Exe symbol info pdb compilant info source file info symbol info. What else? Function info and exe info. Okay, then we search for this guy. Okay. Show in tabs. Show tabs. Okay. Show exe section info. Okay. Top, 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 top. Top, top, top. Oops. Top, 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 top. Oops. Okay. pdb exe info pdb function info pdb symbol, section, I can't type, pdb, source file, compilant. All right. I wonder if we can also simplify this to im scoped menu, menu. Let's leave it for now. Good. Section symbol, compilant, source symbol, blah, blah, blah. Good. Then next step, we take these guys and we go to our file manager body and then file manager info. And here we now put if that, all right. That should do. It's a bit hard to read. Maybe we should add some spacing here. There we go. That's a bit better. Good. So we have it all conditioned. So what this allows us to do is set a load so basically we should be able now to turn off certain things here. So we can hide some things if we like. Okay, cool. Yeah, I think that's nice. I hope visually it also looks all right with the blue tables here. Let's put the stuff back. Show tabs. Oh, we got a assert. Nice. Pop ID too many times. Let's see. Okay, what did we do wrong? Pop ID. Okay, here we have ID. And tab bar. And tab. True. Yeah, I have no idea. Tab bar. tab bar, end tab bar, end tab bar, begin tab bar, show files. Oof. Show files true. 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 Show files. Begin tab bar. Okay, let's put a if show files here, and then we remove this. And then we put this here and here, and then we remove this as well. Okay, so this is simplified a bit. Tree pop and tab item. Begin tab item. I have no idea. Something is wrong. Okay, at least it hits 100%. Calling pop ID too many times. Tab bar. Okay, so tab bar calls pop ID. Is open. Ah. Begin tab item. Hold on. Only if this returns true. Okay, so this is the error. Is open. If is open. is open. Oh, I'm so confused. Okay, if is open, where does this end? It ends there. Okay, so my understanding is we need to put this here. Is that right? I think so. And this one and tab bar. This one. This one is correctly placed, isn't it? I think this is correct now. Oh, this is complicated. This is what happens when you don't use the scoped approach. Okay, let's see. File, show tabs. Okay, this works now. Thank you. Good. Okay, we have some problem here. There. If tab item. Boah. What? Why? So the spacing needs to be somewhere else then. Maybe it needs to be here. I'm not sure. Oh yeah, this is cool. This looks correct. Yeah. Okay, this looks correct now. Oh boy, I need to be very careful. Okay, load all. Okay, and now we can show in tabs, show info, switch tabs. Yeah. 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 Okay, cool. Okay, cool. This is working correctly now. How about we move file manager descriptor. How about we move this also in a function here? File manager descriptor. Do we need to pass index? Looks like so. What is that used for? Oh. Right. Because a file dialog button doesn't use. Okay, let's do that. And then we put this here and this and that and imgui app, yes. And then we put this guy here. Copy. Put it in here. Oh, we don't need this erase thingy. Oh, we do. Erased. Oops. Then let's comment out this one. And we put this descriptor I. Erased. Put erased. Then we pass this. And index, pass it here. Yeah. Okay. Erase index. So now this needs to be removed. There we go. Group. Command overlay. Draw command overlay. Draw status. Draw some details. Uh-oh. This needs to be outside. This needs to be here. I think this should not be here, and this should not be here. File manager info. Let's rename this. Hold on. think it's fine. Okay, let's see if this works. Good, then we remove this guy and this and this. Okay. Okay, that makes it a little bit easier to see. Good. Okay, that's already quite a lot of logic. Good. Then next step. There was one more thing. What was it? One more thing. Ah, right, the filter. The filter. So currently, the filter works on all the different texts. Where's it? Here, this one. I wonder. So what if we disable some? Let's ask chat. How can how can we check if a table column is hidden or visible? Hidden or visible. How can we check if just hidden? How can we check if a ImGUI table column is hidden? ImGUI table column. Let's see. Table get column flags. Check if the column is hidden. Is hidden. Okay. I see. Okay. So what we can do is but the problem is if we hide, then we would need to update the filter. Oh, I think it's not worth it. I think we could implement it that we only filter for the visible columns, but is it worth it? Weapon. Well, the problem is so for example here, armor store. Ah, no, that's a bad example. But here we see down here, it's two things. There's nothing here. So if we remove this one, then we just show two empty lines here. But maybe that's fine because it shows you that there is something with weapon, but it's not currently shown here. So maybe it's just fine. Because different name. Yeah. I think it's fine. This filter is sufficient. Don't need it. Don't need it too spacey. We could improve it, but I think it's not worth it. Because it's not like we look long at this. Like you look at this once and then that's done, right? So it's not a big deal. Yeah. Okay. There was one more thing here with here the section. I think we should move the section over here. Section. Where is it? Here. Let's move the section here. Section. Okay. We should probably put this into another helper function. Sections. Let's see. Static. std string. So do the problem is then we would have to allocate a string. Well, not really. String is so short. It's not allocating. Make get section string. Get section string. Create section string. PDP address. No, it should just be a section. Meh, where's it? Yeah. So section as index. section. Let's call this section index. And then here section index +1. If section index is smaller, section index name return this. Otherwise, return fmt format. Oops. The okay. Create section string. I think this makes sense. And then here, let's comment this. Create section string, std string section. I do this section as index, comma, sections. And then text unformatted section. There we go. I think that's easier to read. Yeah. Size all columns to fit. Okay. That's nice. Yeah. Section. Well, no, we should perhaps reduce the opacity further. We could. Let's see. Change it to 0.25. Oof, it's barely visible now. Maybe it should be a bit more. How about 3.5? So really fine tuning here. Yeah, let's compare this with the original look, which is tables. So the original looks like this. Background color. Gradients. Okay, how is this done? Examples. Pop star. Okay. Push style compact. What does that even mean? Table set BG color. Okay, so this is used for changing the color of individual rows and columns or cells. Row. Let's see, what is this? Cell background. I think it's fine. It's just the faintest blue, which I think looks better than this black. Yeah, but it's still dark enough to make the text really easy to read. Yeah, I think it's okay. Yeah. Saturation is 1. Let's see. No, saturation is not 1. HSV. Maybe we should dial the saturation to 1. Let's see. One. Oh. Let's see. Yeah, it is more saturated. Do we like that? Yeah. Maybe we reduce the opacity then a little bit more. It needs to be perfect. Perfect. The eyes need to bathe in the beauty of the tables. Configuration style. Colors. Child BG. Well, it didn't change anything. Table row BG. Why is it not showing us? This I don't understand. I would have expected it updates now, but it doesn't. This updates. Ah, maybe because we didn't have anything selected here. Let's try again. Table row BG. No. No. Text. Okay, that updates. Okay, that has worked. I don't understand. I don't understand. Okay, what happens if we remove this? Yeah. Then we restart. Load. Configuration, style, style editor, colors, dark, dark. Okay, that does nothing. I wonder if this is broken. Table row BG. Table row BG. I don't know. Okay, what about childs? Yeah, also wilds. Somehow it doesn't affect it. Strange. I think I know why, because this, it has no, yeah, we have to change this. There we go. Okay, so it means that one could customize this the way he likes it. If we give this option here. Oops, now we lost the color wheel. Yeah, maybe we should do that. We should not change the style. Yeah. Okay, then let's not change the style for now. Just makes things complicated, I guess. Okay, I spent way too much time with the color. And then in the end I deleted it. Yeah, great. Okay. Good. Okay, is there anything else you want to do? Let's see. No, I don't think so. I think that's all we need to do. No. Oh, we got a crash. Cool. Okay, filtered. Huh, okay. Something is not right. Let's see, filtered. Yeah, so these are dangling pointers. Yeah. Filtered. Yeah. Update filter. Ah, no. Ah, yeah, yeah. These things need to be cleared when this needs to be cleared when we delete the executable or the PDB. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Executable. Yeah. Okay, yeah, this is right. Okay, let's add a function void reset. And in here we simply do, oops, what was that? Filtered dot clear and filtered once false. Also, we should make this const char const. Let's move this to the top. Okay, so we need to reset it we do that whenever we set these guys here. So load exe here. Script resets. Yeah, we have to reset it here. Okay, descriptor exe symbols descriptor dot reset. There we go. Is there anything else? No, just this. Okay, and then on PDB reader dot reset, here we have these guys. Actually, let's do this before this descriptor, because technically these guys have a dependency on PDB reader, so they should be cleared first. Otherwise, there is a minuscule dangling in between, which doesn't matter, but I think it's good to have it logically in order. Good. Let's also go to here, move this up. Okay, this should fix the problem. So basically, we load all once. We can open this and we load again. And we load again. Put in the filter. F. FF. Load. Done. Loads. There's something to say about the tab view. I think tab view is not bad. Makes it easier to interact with the file. I wonder if this should be at the top then. File manager, global buttons. Yeah, how about we move it to the top? Let's see how that looks. Put it right here, to the very top, tippy top. Oh, then one needs to be careful to not accidentally click here. think there needs a bit of space in between. There is a option. Separate the text. File list. Separated text. Okay, so now we have some spacing, which makes it safer to interact with. Show tabs. I think that makes it a little cleaner. Add file. Also on the remove, hold on, widgets. Pop-ups, pop-ups. Click this button. Delete. I think we should add such a pop-up for the remove button. Okay, but we don't need to do it now. I think this change we currently work on is already big enough. So how about we make this in a follow-up? Yeah. Good. Are we happy with the buttons here at the top? Yeah, I think it's fine. Good, then I will take a break here. It has been 2 hours 30. Then I wish you a great day or night until next time. Goodbye.